This is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Cheshire ceiling fan located in the Anchor House apartment at a church. This is the only fan in this apartment, but I'll show you real quick. Like in the kitchen, there might have been a fan here. I don't know, but like this place, I don't know what was here before, if there were fans or not, cause before Hurricane Sandy in 2012, because I've not been in this building before 2012. But anyways, I'm gonna start with the fan. Oh, and there are three in the main building of the Anchor House that I might get to today, I'm not sure. But this one's on the porch. I'll demonstrate. You got the light up. Hey, this switch is probably not on. Sorry. Oh yeah, there it is. I just had to figure out the switch. So there's like one bulb right there. Here's the fan. It does wobble a little bit. Here's high. Wow, blows quite a bit here. Yeah, it wobbles. Just wobble a little. I don't know if you can see. If you can't see, I'll just get you a closer view. I'm sure you can kind of see it. I think you can. Yeah, so that's high. Here's medium. I meant to say. There's medium. Keep in mind, I've never turned this fan on before, because it's not my fan. This is it on medium, as you can see. Still wobbles a little bit. Sorry. I was gonna try to hold it, but I can't reach. Anyways, here is low. Just to get a closer view. That's how low. Anyways, I'm gonna turn it off now. I'll just wait for it to spin down. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm actually gonna try to stop it. Just trying for it not to shake. Yeah, it does shake a little bit. I'm not gonna show I will not show the top of the blade arms because I cannot reach, and don't have enough time. Oops, sorry, the camera's upside down. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be able to show the top of the blade arms of this, of the Harbor Breeze Cheshire, because the ceiling's high, like I said, and I don't have enough time. And yeah, in the building there's there's free Hampton Bay Reddington free ceiling fans. I don't know if I'm gonna get to them today. I will get to them another day. Anyways, see you in the next video.